Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy My Deal. We will start by exploring the user-friendly interface, designed for effortless navigation. You will quickly learn to locate incredible savings across various categories. Our goal is to help you maximize your benefits with minimal effort, ensuring a smooth and rewarding experience from start to finish. Get ready to unlock fantastic opportunities. Finding your ideal deal on Easy My Deal is incredibly straightforward. Begin by using the intuitive search bar to pinpoint exactly what you are looking for. Then, leverage our powerful filtering options to narrow down results by category, price range, or even geographical area. You can also sort deals to see the freshest additions or those with the highest user ratings, ensuring you always find the best value. Once you have found a promising deal, it is crucial to understand its specifics. Take a moment to thoroughly review all terms and conditions, paying close attention to any restrictions or requirements. Always check the expiration date to ensure you have ample time for redemption. Our platform provides clear, step-by-step instructions for claiming your deal, making the process simple and secure every single time. To truly maximize your savings with Easy My Deal, consider creating a free account. This allows you to save your favorite deals for later and receive personalized alerts about new opportunities. Subscribing to our newsletter also grants you access to exclusive offers and early notifications. Furthermore, sharing great deals with friends can often lead to exciting referral bonuses or credits, enhancing your overall savings even more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.